What's happening, everybody? This your boy Snow. Welcome back to the lab. We're here more of that Smell Good talk. Let's get it. So, as y'all all know, I got sent a sample pack from Nobility Parfums. My boy Leo put me on them. Look, you see him. You see him on the front of it, right? You see my man Leo. Now, this what I'm opening is the collection that has not been released yet. And this is them testing it. I'm assuming to get people's honest opinions, and I am lucky enough to be one of those individuals, which I am thoroughly happy about. There's wow, they got 6 unreleased samples in here, and we gonna dive right into it. Ooh, man, these bad boys. The bag smells good. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm about to smell real good, and you are not. No, let me stop playing. Listen, that was the most late 80s, early 90s um, rap, just style of rap ever. Don't judge me, okay? I was born in 87. You understand me? All right, let's do this. All right, first one on the list from the unreleased sample pack is Papa Smurf. I love these names, bro. Ooh. Oh, hold on now. Give me my juice. Yeah. What is going on? Papa Smurf. This is a big bro. This is like okay. I'm a paint a picture for you. This is berry, vanilla, spicy. This is different. This is different in a good way. Sugary, it's fresh too. Hey, Papa Smurf, listen to me. This is what I imagine uh the female Smurf house smell like when she was getting ready for a date. But this smelled delicious. Oh man. Now hold on. Now hear me out. It's a very berry for I don't know if it's a berry I'm smelling, strawberry, but there's something fruity about it. It almost could be okay. If you know, you know. If you know what lychee smells like, that's what like a berry lychee combination. Wow, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting I'm getting green. I'm getting vibrant, but I'm also getting edible. Man, this is nice. Now the question is gonna be how would it do on skin? This one I'm gonna be excited to put on skin. I'm gonna spray every ounce, every little bit of liquid in here. I'm spraying it on my body, and I can't wait to test this. This smells good. I don't have any official notes. I'm just purely giving you what I'm smelling, so don't judge me. All right, next on the list. Oh, it rubbed off. It's Dark Bloom. Dark Bloom. I think that's what that says. The wording rubbed off, so I apologize. Damn, I'm sorry. Shit. Okay, Dark Bloom. Spicy, vanilla, ooh, cinnamon type vibe, a musky tone to it. Okay, this is one of those moments, almost like a gingerbread house, like a very good gingerbread kind of vibe. But I don't know if that's what it's really going for. But I smell sugar. I smell almost like a syrupy smell to it with the cinnamon and the vanilla. But there's also a freshness to it as well. Okay, this is one of those fragrance combinations that I need to put on skin because I don't know how this would do on me. It smells good though, but I don't know if it's for me though. That's the thing. I don't know if my body's gonna work right with this one. But it smells good. This one ain't bad. All right, now let's go to the next one. This one, oh crap. The wording came off on this one as well. I think this is Sweet Seduction. I think that's what it said. If that's not the right name, I do apologize. Ooh, Sweet Seduction. Sweet Seduction. This is a very feminine leaning fragrance in my opinion. I would love to smell this on someone else. I ooh, it smells good, but I don't know if this is right for me though. That's the question. But it smells good. If I smell this on someone, you know, a confident individual with some 6-inch heels on, with a nice form fitting outfit. Whew, Lord, Lord, this this bad boy might get some folks in trouble, bro. This one, but I don't know if it works for me, but on other people, because there's like a jasmine, sugary marshmallow kind of vibe, but it also has enough darkness to it to where you got to be confident to wear it. This one, listen, I would love to smell this on somebody else. Ooh, yeah, yeah, I'm excited about that one. Okay, next on the list we have Wild Wild West. Bro, the juice looks gold. This is golden juice, bro. Look at the juice. It's even stained the car. Oh Lord, what is this? Oh, hey, hey. Our first sniff, nasty work. This thing, this is a kick in the face, bright orange. Ah, I don't even know what I'm smelling. All I know is I like it. All I know, wow, 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 West. Hey, this is this like a orangey, leathery kind of vibe? I don't know, but whatever it is, whatever's in this bottle of juice, hey, Nobility Parfums, I need a full bottle, please. This right here off Nasty Work a meter. This is a 10 for me off my nose. Oh, I know when I wear this, I'm gonna make this thing look even. I'm gonna make it smell even better. Just bro, this is. I am not. Listen, to my nose, this is a. This will be a sensational banger. People are going to flock to this one. Well, hold on. Whoa. Back up, back up, back up. Individuals who are comfortable not being in the norm are going to flock to this one. Because this thing right here, whoo, 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 beautiful, beautiful combination of just notes and masculine and subtle, soft energy all in a bottle. This is what Will smell like in Wild Wild West when he was fighting the robotic spider, bro. This is what he smelled like. I'm smelling like Will Smith in Wild Wild West. Hey, this right here is Munyons in the bottle, bro. Nasty work. I give that my stamp off top. I'm wearing it. I'm using every liquor drop of juice. Hey, y'all did y'all thing on that one. Okay, next we have Tropical Days. Ooh, this does smell. Ooh. Hold on now. This is. Hold on. This is. Okay, I'm gonna say this. This this might be one of the best sea salt coconut earthy musky smells that I put my nose to in a long time. This is this is wow. This is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Very unisex. But if you ain't cool, you ain't pulling this off. Cool ain't the right word. If you don't have some sauce about you, you won't appreciate this. This is saucy. This is nasty work. This, wow. This is a musky coconut sea vibe. Hey, bro, listen to me. Listen to me. Hear me out. Hear me out. Okay. This is what I imagine what Aquaman put on his wedding day, getting married in the ocean. This is what I feel like smell. It smells like in them aquatic households of them rich folk, of them rich Atlanteans. Man, this smells. Oh my god, nasty work, nasty work of stamp of approval. On top of that, on a scale of nastiness, I got a I got a 9.7. 9.7. This is nastiness to its maximum capacity. Oh my god. Hey, hey, nobility parfums. Listen to me. Y'all need to contact me. We need to talk because I need to do. I need more. I need more. This is grown folk kind of stuff. Grown folk, man. Not grown people. Not grown folks. Grown folk. You know what I'm talking about? That's what that is. All right, let's go on to the next one. This is M6. Okay, I like the name. Ooh, ooh. Let's see. Mm. Hold on now. Hold on now. This is a. I could be wrong. I'm getting a very. This is. This is. This is. I don't. I don't want to say sexy because it's not. It's not doing the rose or floral aspect of this justice. This is. Let me get serious for a moment. The way this smells, like the rose floral aspect of this, is how it reminded me of my grandmother, and not because it smells old, because to me my grandmother was the most beautifulest woman on earth. She always smelled so good. Not old, not that she smelled old, but the way she smelled and how I viewed her, that's where this took me to a very comfortable, safe space. I don't know a better way to say it. Fruity, floral, mature, safe, but edgy. This is the individual who, if you don't know them behind closed doors, you might think they're a little prudish, a little boring. But man, wow. Okay. This also gets the nasty work stamp of approval. But this is a very more feminine leaning fragrance, in my opinion. But I think I could pull this off. So on my nasty work o-meter, I give this a 8.9 because I think a lot of more masculine leaning individuals will overlook this fragrance. And that is what I'm referencing why I'm giving it that particular kind of score. Man. And sorry for my whole little monologue about my granny, but I had to associate how I describe fragrances in that kind of manner because that's just how it makes me feel. So thank you for letting me, do my thing. But man, this one, you see my whole demeanor. I've calmed down. This made me feel really comfortable, man. Wow. Man. And I don't even know with the name. I wouldn't have went in that direction. Man, this one, sweet rose, musky, a little bit of like it's a rose that's in a darker space. It's a nice fragrance, man. Wow, I like that. Okay, listen, this is a unreleased sample pack from Nobility Parfums, sent to me by my boy Leo, and I thoroughly, thoroughly enjoyed this unreleased pack. And thank you, Nobility, for trusting me to put my nose on these. You know, I would love to have further conversation because I need to get my hands on these full bottles. But everyone, please take the time to go check these out. Go check out my other video to see the ones that are available to the public for you to purchase. There's some bangers in there too. But I'm going to reach out to this company and ask them how do I get a big bottle? How do I get more juice? Because this was really I really enjoyed this. Like yeah. But as always, man, make sure you talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you've heard of this house. Let me know if you ever got your nose on any. But yeah, man, make sure you like, comment, and repost. Y'all be easy.